Hello everyone, it's Mrs Smith here. I'm going to go through the EYFS Maths Challenge for Monday the 4th of May with you now. Remember, as Mr Mayor said last week, these videos are to provide more challenge for those children who are ready for them. Please don't worry if you do not do any of the activities on here, if you just want to have a little look through them. Some of the tasks are providing lots of challenge for the children, so please just have a look and see how you get on. For this session, you will need something to write on or in, something to write with, counting objects, coins 1p, 2p, 5p, 10p and 20p if you have them to hand. Okay, like last week, we've now got the 100 grid in front of us, and I'd like you to try and have a go at working out which number is hiding under the green rectangle. Have a try now. If you think you know which number is hiding under the green rectangle, can you prove it by explaining your reasoning? How do you know it's that number? Have a look at the number above it, below it, and to the right hand side of it. 21. Well done if you said that it was number 21. 21, as you can see, is 10 more than 11. It's 1 less than 22, and it's 10 less than 31. Now have a try at working out what number's under the green rectangle in this case. Have a look at the numbers around the green rectangle. Well done if you worked out that the number that was hidden this time was 26. 26 is 10 more than 16, 10 less than 36, 1 more than 25, and 1 less than 27. 26. Here you can see that lots more of the numbers have now gone from the 100 square. You can see that there's a series of numbers going up from 5. Can you work out what number's hidden from the green rectangle this time? "85. Well done if you worked it was number 85 that was hidden. 85. Using the clues that are already on the screen, the numbers that have not been hidden, which is 9, 18, 20, 29, can you work out what number's hidden by the green rectangle this time? Well done if you worked out it was number 19 that was hidden. 19 is 10 more than 9, 10 less than 29, 1 more than 18, 1 less than 20. This time, there are more numbers that have been hidden. The number on the screen that we have there still showing is 17. Can you use your knowledge of the 100 square to work out what number is hidden by the yellow rectangle, which number is hidden by the blue rectangle, which number is hidden by the red rectangle, and which number is hidden by the green rectangle? Have a go now. You can jot your ideas down if this helps. "16 was hidden by the green rectangle. 18 was hidden by the blue rectangle. 7 was hidden by the yellow rectangle. And 27 was hidden by the red rectangle." Well done if you worked out all of the numbers correctly. Okay, in this slide we're thinking about capacity. And I would like you to have a go trying to kind of point to or let your adult know which glass you think is full. Have a go now. And see if you can describe the other two glasses in terms of their capacity. Well done. This is the glass that's full. For this slide, can you please point to or indicate the glass which is empty? Which glass on here is empty? Point to it now. Well done if you selected the glass that is empty. I know last week with Mr. Mayer you were looking at coins, and I'd just like to revisit those coins now. So please now, on the screen if you can, point to the 1p coin. Point to the 2p coin. Point to the 5p coin. Point to the 10p coin. And point to the 20p coin. You could pause the video now and chat to your families about the different things that you can see on each of the coins and how you know which coin is which. I've just put a tick next to one of the coins. Could you tell your adult which coin has been ticked? If you said 10 pence or 10p, well done. Today we're going to challenge ourselves by adding amounts of money together. So I'm going to read this number sentence out involving money. 5p add 2p equals. You may now be able to use your pen and paper to jot down your calculation for this question without even seeing the coins. Perhaps you might be able to solve this question mentally. I'm going to show you the coins now. 5p plus 2p. It's really good if you need to have the concrete resources of a 5p and a 2p, or if you would like to get 5 counting objects now and 2 more counting objects to help you find the total, that would be good. For the 5p, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue dots to help us with our counting, and under the 2p, we have got 1, 2 yellow dots. Let's add them together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7p. You could, of course, have just started counting from 5 and count the 2p on. 5, 6, 7. Maybe you can talk to your adults about how you solve this question now. 7p, the answer is 7p. So here we've got another number sentence. We've got 10p add 5p equals, and again, if you can do this mentally or by making some jottings or using some equipment, that would be fantastic. 10p add 5p. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can go along and we can add all of the dots from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or alternatively, we could start with 10 that we already know we've got 10 here and carry on counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10p add 5p equals 15p. Well done if you solved that one. And you might already know, you might be very excited to already shout out the answer to this one. 10p plus or add 10p. 10p add 10p. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10p, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20p. 16 add 7 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You can count 16 in ones or you can count it in twos. 1 plus or add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 23. Well done if you solved that calculation. Just looking along now, we could count in twos to 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Add 2 more, 18, 20, 22, and 1 more, 23. Well done. 20, take away 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Have a chat to your adult about how you would solve this question. We're going to take away 10 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you work out the answer yet? 1, 2, we'll count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The answer is 10. Well done. How many sides do these squares have in total? Can you count the sides now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in total. Now we're thinking about a really tricky maths word, and this is the technical maths word for the corners of a 2D shape. So one corner would be known as a vertex, and more than one corner would be vertices. A vertex is where two lines meet at a point. Corners are vertices. We're going to count them on 2D shapes. How many corners or vertices does this square have? Count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4. This square has 4 corners, 4 vertices. Remember the terms vertex and vertices that we spoke about on the previous slide? We're now going to count the vertices, the corners of the vertices, in the 2 triangles that are on the screen now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many corners or vertices do these triangles have in total? They have 6 in total. Here is a reasoning question. Now this might look quite tricky to start off with, but the way that I thought about this, sometimes when I'm solving reasoning questions, I need to get some actual practical, some concrete resources. I might use my pictorial techniques as well. I might actually draw out the pictures that will help me solve this. So I'm going to read it through to you to start off with, and then we'll unpick it together. There are 3 baskets, a brown one, a red one and a pink one, holding a total of 10 eggs. The brown basket has 1 more egg in it than the red basket. The red basket has 3 fewer eggs than the pink basket. How many eggs are in each basket? So for me, I would either get 3 different coloured bowls and label them with a little piece of paper, brown, red, pink, maybe 3 plastic bowls or 3 plastic tubs from your kitchen. And then I wouldn't use real eggs, I don't think, but I probably would use maybe 10 pieces of Lego or 10 maybe kind of ping pong balls if I had them, or 10 counting cubes or 10 pieces of Duplo. I'd get 10 objects. If I couldn't find anything else, I could get 10 pairs of socks that are rolled into a ball that might look like eggs. And then what I would do was I would try to see if I put 1 egg in each basket, then I have to look and think, okay, the brown basket has 1 more egg in it than the red basket. So I'd pop another one in the red basket. So they had 1 each, then 1 more into the red basket. Then the red basket has 3 fewer eggs than the pink basket. So then I'd make sure that I had more eggs in the pink basket. So I'd add 3 more in there so that the red basket had 3 fewer eggs. And I'd work out how many was in each basket then. And is that the solution, or do I need to go further? Good luck, and please do dojo Mr. Mayer and Miss Goff your solutions to this question. It might be better if you didn't want to use the concrete resources that we've discussed. You could draw a picture. You could draw a brown basket and a red basket and a pink basket, and you could draw on your 10 eggs, or you could make them out of paper, draw 10 little circles and cut them out, and then just have a go at sliding them around from the brown basket to the pink one to the red one, and see if you can solve this. And why don't you send in a photo or draw a picture of your solution? That'd be fantastic to see. Good luck. Pause the screen now while you have a go at this and talk this through with adults or older siblings in your home. How do you feel about your learning today? You could do a thumbs up if you're feeling confident and you've enjoyed completing the challenge. Thumb to the middle if you found it quite tricky today, but you had a good try and you feel you gained confidence. Maybe thumb down if you or your parents or carers feel that maybe this is a step too far and some of it was really tricky today. If this was the case, you could carry on using the White Rose resources that we send out every day. Okay, well done, and keep well and have a lovely rest of the day. Take care, bye-bye.